How to create glowing captions in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create glowing caption on CapCut. After you open the CapCut like this, so the first thing to do, you right click on your voice. After you right click on the voice, now you go to create compound clip. After you create compound clip for the voice, then you go to captions. After you go to captions, now you select the language of your video. After you select the language, you click on this template. After you select the template, then you scroll to down and you go to this glowing. After you click on this glow, so here it will give you different template for the glowing effects on your CapCut PC. So now you go ahead now and choose the one that you want to use. So let's say for me, I want to use this one. So I'll select this one, or let's say I want to use this one. So after you select the one that you want to use, so now before you go to the generation caption, it will give you the preview of the caption in this option after it finish loading. So if you look at this option now, as you can see now, so now
American
here how it will
Express
just
Platinum
appear
card
on
is one of the
my video if I just select this one. If you're satisfied with this one, you go ahead and click on the generate button. If you're not satisfied, you can choose another one. For me, I'll just go with this one. I'll click on this generate button. So after some seconds, now here is my caption with the glowing
credit
effects.
cards on the market.
So
And if
that's
you're
it guys
someone
on
who
how to
values travel,
make or how to create glowing caption in CapCut. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.